Hi, it's William here again, and today I have created two sounds that I will use in electronic music. I'm maybe not totally done with them, finished with them, but I will show you these two, and yeah, I will begin to build up my own library with sounds. So this is the first one, and as you know, I'm just a beginner at this, so have that in mind. I'm using Ableton 12, and it's the first time I'm creating music on a program like this. So that was the first sound. I like it. I think I can use it to something. I'm not sure if I will keep it that long or if I will change the delay or something, but that is the first sound, and the other sound is this. I really like this one. I think I could put several of these behind each other and maybe mix that with maybe the first sound I made or something, and then put some kick and drum. If I put many of them. Now I'm just playing it over and over again, but the delays are... I like the delay sound and how it's like spinning away. Yeah. So that was one of my creative projects today. Thanks for watching. Bye.